So in geometry, you're responsible for being able to find the volume and surface area of some different volume and surface area of 3D figures, area and perimeter of some 2D figures. And so this is a copy of the geometry formula sheet. And so you can see that pretty much any formula you're going to need is on here. You'll see that they give you area and perimeter formulas for all of the flat shapes. Circles would be area and circumference. And then you can see that for the 3D figures, they give you a formula for volume, they give you a formula for surface area, and they give you a formula for lateral area. The lateral area is just the area around the outside, not including the top and the bottom. All right, so we do need to understand that volume means the space inside of a figure, like how much water it would take to fill up this figure. The surface area is talking about the space on the outside of the figure, like if I were going to wrap this figure in paper, how much paper would I need to wrap the figure? The other thing that I want to talk about is some of the variables. Some of the variables are a little weird, like capital B. You'll see it in a couple of these. If you can't remember what the variables mean, you can always look on the abbreviations part at the bottom of the formula sheet, and it says that capital B is the area of the base. So for this pyramid, if I wanted capital B, I would need to find the area of this square or rectangle, whatever shape it is. So some other ones, pi, you should know, h is the height, and L is the slant height along the side. All of the figures are labeled too, so it has all the variables labeled in the figure so that you can see them. The other one I see that's not labeled is P right here. If you look, P stands for the perimeter. This P is talking about the perimeter of the base of this figure. All right, so if all you need to do is find volume or lateral area or surface area, you just figure out what all your variables are and you plug their values in. It's a little different in geometry because sometimes I may ask you to work backwards. Like for instance, in this formula, the volume of this cone. I may give you the volume of the cone and the radius, and I may ask you to work backwards to find the height. That will just be like solving any other regular equation, and we'll do one just like that in the examples videos.